losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
The new Austral is a vehicle that embodies the fundamentals of SUVs in terms of ride proportions, overall silhouette, design ratios, basically everything clients would expect from such a car. On top of that, we wanted to bring something special in terms of character for both the exterior and the interior and significantly raise the level of perceived quality. Design, I think, plays a very strong role regarding the notion of quality through fit and finish, detailed design, and more globally the design execution of form, or even in the cockpit, we can raise the game really high. And as always with Renault, inventiveness is dedicated to meaningful and useful results, whether it is about the aesthetical impact of the car or the experience you get on board. The exterior design embodies sensual tech, our new design language that combines generous shapes, structured lines and details, and highly refined technologies. This approach gives the vehicle a remarkable personality. The front end combines strength and sophistication with a wide grille bearing a checkered pattern and sporty lower blade, shiny black and dark chrome finishes, and of course, our new logo. Its personality definitely stands out. The body side design gives a very strong stance to the car. The very contrasted lines above the wheel arches, added to a very sculpted feature line on the lower part of the doors, give direction and dynamism to the general silhouette of the car. The roof slopes down towards the rear for better aerodynamics and leads to a strong rear view with a car that sits nicely on the ground. In this view, it has very wide shoulders enhanced by equally wide taillights that reach all the way to the logo in the center. Now, these lights use micro-optics technology in order to create a vibrant 3D, almost holographic effect. Those engraved graphics are very impressive when lit up. The front and rear lights and the sharper lines are the tech part of what we call sensual tech. New Austral displays a fresh, unseen, rational and modern interior with a very innovative touch and great feeling of roominess. The materials used reflect the same sensual tech spirit as the exterior design. Particular care has been taken with the vehicle's upholstery, and the cocoon effect is reinforced by the use of foam and textiles in the front and rear seats and door panels. New Austral also has plenty of storage space for the whole family in the front and rear. The new generation of screens opener, one of the largest screens on the market, combines in an L shape the digital display in the dashboard and the touchscreen, integrating the two driver air vents. The wide center console is stripped of all controls as switches and buttons are relocated around the steering wheel. And the idea here is to give this area back to what I call life on board. I now invite you to discover the top of the range of New Austral, the Esprit Alpine. The Esprit Alpine version of New Austral has taken on the Alpine brand codes in its design, thus reinforcing the vehicle's sporty dimension. The sportiveness of the exterior design is asserted through a new body color, gris schiste matte, and through a specific wheel with diamond shadow and an Alpine engraving. The Esprit Alpine has a very elegant interior design as well, with Alcantara, stitched leather, and an embroidered Alpine logo on the seat. There is also a specific welcome sequence evocative of the Alpine brand when you get on board. So Esprit Alpine is the ultimate version of a product that was led with the obsession of quality in mind. And for us at Design, it was all in the careful design choices and execution of this project. And I will let now Olivier Brosse talk about the other aspects of this amazing vehicle.
New Austral is a premiere, and you will see technology is everywhere. New Austral is the first Renault vehicle benefiting of the CMF-CD platform, co-developed within our alliance. This platform allows New Austral to host the second generation of E-Tech full hybrid engine, available up to 200 horsepower. This new generation combines maximum efficiency and it provides an incredible EV feeling. For example, E-Tech allows to drive in full electric up to 5 km and 80% of the time in city usage. Now, CO2 emissions will be at the best level of all hybrid SUV on the market. We are targeting 105 grams. Besides, new Renault Austral will also offer a mild hybrid advanced engine with 48-volt battery combined to a brand new 1.2 liters 3 cylinders. It offers an unparalleled 40% yield ratio. It means less emission and a lower fuel consumption. For control, new Austral introduces Renault's 4-wheel steering system. We call it 4Control Advanced. This technology has been democratized by Renault since 2008. Guess what? It is the third generation. 4Control Advanced monitors vehicle behavior and adapts the rear wheel angles up to 5 degrees, depending on speed, type of driving, or road condition. This technology brings 3 main benefits to the driver. First, outstanding maneuverability, with reduced turning radius at 10.1 meters, better than a city car. Second, exceptional agility in any conditions. Austral always grips the road. Third, stability. Renault Austral ensures maximum safety in all circumstances. The 4Control Advanced system is a real techno asset, actually a leapfrog. It is a unique offer for a generalist car maker. Also, technology lies in driving aids. New Austral offers not less than 32 ADAS, several genuine Renault. Let me give you a few examples. First, active driver assist, which automatically adjusts to the speed limit and road profile. It is the latest contextual autonomous driving system. Second, a predictive hybrid drive. It optimizes battery charge to upcoming road journey. And not to forget, the LED matrix vision will be available on New Austral. All these active driving assistance systems are complemented by state-of-the-art passive safety features, consistent with Renault historical expertise. As Gilles Vidal mentioned, Open Air is the masterpiece of the new Austral cockpit. Introduced in brand new Megane E-Tech Electric, Open Air Link provides smartphone ergonomics with touch and voice control. Open Air is equipped with the Open Air Link multimedia system. By partnering with Google Automotive Services, we have been able to work with a clear leader to provide user-friendly application. New Renault Austral also features an all-new 9.3-inch head-up display. It means that vehicle speed, driving aids, overspeed warning, and navigation indication are now directly projected onto the windscreen, simply bringing more comfort and safety to the driver. All these giant screens combined offer a wide surface equivalent to 3 iPads. Definitely a dimension from the premium segment. Finally, the CMF-CD platform has been designed to maximize roominess and user-friendliness, both front and rear. In the front, driver and passenger have a large ergonomic and comfortable space, further enhanced by the elevated driving position and a wide center console. In the rear, the extended wheelbase and the independent rear seats traveling on 16 centimeters allow New Austral to combine top-of-the-range roominess and boot size up to 575 liters. In a nutshell, New Austral is designed to comfortably accommodate the whole family, with cutting-edge technology serving our customer for the best daily experience.
Thank you, Olivier. So to conclude and to complete what you have just said, we can assert that Austral is definitely the frontrunner of Renault's C-SUV family, offering best technology for all, electrified driving experience, and statutory design. As Lucas said, with new Austral, we have the perfect vehicle to win back the C segment. Last information, all new Austral will be introduced to markets from last quarter 2022. This is the end of our world premiere. We hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Thank you.
Hey Google, play Tech Control.
Yeah.